For polynomial, guys, ready? Yes? It's a bit of a down. Let's say you're given something like this. 7 divided by 2. How do you solve? Okay, can we do it long division on how to solve this one? So how do you proceed now? 3, 6. Dah cukup lah. I mean, you can go fractions, but we are fine that. So now how do you write down your answers? So you either write down your answer this way, 7 divided by 2 is equals to 3 plus 1 over 2. You agree? Or you can also write down your answers such as 7 equals to 3 times 2 plus 1. Yang ni yang paling basic sekali lah antara semua lah. And yeah, what can I say about this 1? We got a specific name for it. We call it remainder. How do you pronounce this? Remainder or reminder? How do you spell reminder? Okay, this is reminder, this is remainder. You'll be surprised how many of your friends will say this is reminder. Politely correct them, it's actually a remainder. So this half is the remainder. This one is also the remainder. Alright, anak murid saya, siapa sebut benda ni reminder? If this is you, this is me. Don't ever say that. Okay, now let's try the complex version. Let's say you're given something like this. 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 4. And I want this to be divided by x minus 3. Now, how do you solve this one? Okay, still we're going to use the long division technique. Tengok elok. So 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 4. And this thing here I want to divide by x minus 3. Okay, class, good luck. This is not easy. Okay, first and foremost, which one is we're still using the target version. This is the thing that you need to divide right now. So bring it here. No, I'm forgetting this one. Now my question to you is this. How does x becomes 3x cubed times 3x squared. Agree? So you take this number, tengok elok, you put it up here. Okay? Tengok elok. I'm teaching you skill. I'm not giving you formula. And then the other negative 3, it goes down here. And then you times by 3x squared. What do you get? Negative 3x squared. You okay? Take this value, put it over here. 3x cubed minus 3x squared. Are you okay? Yes? Oh, yeah. Sure. Negative 3, yeah. Thank you. Sorry. I got nervous. Okay, next step, tengok elok. This is where people always make mistakes. They belagak, they do not want to do this. They are being arrogant. Buat kurungan, do the bracket and then add negative there. And then take another pen or pencil that you have. Make a slight note here. This is positive or negative? Positive times negative? Okay, negative times negative? You are not allowed to buat besar-besar. Just make a small note up there. Alright, you use your other pencil or use a pen. Kalau pen pun buat kecil atas tu. Please do that in exams. If you buat besar-besar, what happens? Some pemeriksa does not like it. Some examiner does not like it. And now here comes the next steps. Negative 7x squared plus 9x squared. What do you get? 2x squared. And over here 3x cubed minus 3x cubed. 0 lah. We don't need to write down. Okay, what happens in my experience is that people do not write this negative. They do not write the kurungan snobbishly, belagakly, and then they just what? Negative 7x squared minus 9x squared. That's a common mistake in exams. Alright, so please buat the kurungan, put this negative and make a small notations. These small things will save you 15 marks. Okay? Alright, the next step is take this 2x, bring it down. Plus 2x. So now what's your target? The 2x squared. So 2x squared is your target. We're still going to attack it with a x minus 3. So how does x becomes 2x squared? You times 2x. And what do you do with this 2x? You put it up here. In this case, positive 2x lah. Plus 2x. Are you okay? You want me to teach that again? If you want me to tell it again, please raise your hand. So minus 3 times 2x. Negative 6x. And what do you do with this? Not yet there. You put it here first. 2x squared minus 6x. What's my advice? Buat kurungan, put a minus, jangan belagak. Negative, positive. Make a small note negative there. Negative, negative. Make a small note positive there. Please do the small notes. It's going to save your life. So 2x squared, 2x plus 6x 8x. This one here, 0. And then the 4 come down, plus 4. Are you okay? So what's the next steps? Can you tell me? You target the 8x. You attack with what? X. So this x here, how does it become 8? You times with 8. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Are you okay? So 8x, you times with 8. So what do I do with this 8? It goes up here. Tambah 8. And then what happened to negative 3? Negative 24. So what do you do with this? Put up here. So 8x minus 24. You okay? So minus this thing, what do you get? 28. Tengok. Can we go on? No, we stop there. Dah habis dah. Nothing to come down anymore. So the things that we were given just now from this earlier equation, we're going to set our answers as there are two ways for you to write down your answers. It's either 3x squared plus 2x plus 8. The thing yang atas ni lah. Plus 28 over x minus 3. This is your remainder. This is if you write things down as macam ni lah. 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 4 over. You can either choose to write your answers this way or what? Three x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals to your answer just now, this thing over here, 3x squared plus 2x plus 8 with the things yang you divide, plus you plus with what? You plus with the 28. Where does this 28 come from? The remainder. Tu je lah. And this thing here, you have seen them before. I'm going to show you something that you have done similarly. On this one, 7 divided by 2, you got this long division, and either you can write your answers in this way, 7/2, 7 over 2 equals to 3 plus half, or 7 equals to 3 over 2 plus 1. It's identical to down here. Can you see the similarities? Can you see the pattern? It looks the same. So now, I want you to try this one. Yes? Apa dia? Are you okay? Okay. You need to go. Nak salinnya mana? Oh, you tak salin ke? Alright, one moment. I'll give you exercise for you to try. You should have salin one by one. I mean, the reason... Okay, audience, you may try this question. Okay, alright, try this question. So this is the question, this is how the long division. And how do you proceed from here? What's your attack? S cube. What multiplies what? Come here, this one first. So x squared. How does x squared become x cube? You multiply by x, okay? Do we stop there? There's others, minus x, minus 2, so you need to multiply with the x1 as well. Okay, alright, try this question on your own. Never mind, forget about salin, try this one. Okay, if you were to continue, if you're able to, this up here you get x minus 1. The remainder you got 6x minus 3. So you may write down your answers in either this way, or you want to write down your answers in this way. Okay, remember, this is your remainder. Are you okay? Do you need help? Who need help? Please raise your hand. Everything's okay? Good, awesome. Are you ready for the next question? Okay, I give you 1 more minute. Okay, one last question for long division practice. Okay, be prepared. It's a very long question. Guys, look very carefully. This is the hardest one. x4 minus 16 divide by... Good luck. Okay. Here comes a short tricks that it comes with this question. How are you going to long divide this one? x4, does it has any x cube? Not there, tapi dia ada. It's as 0x cube. Does it have any x squared? Yep, same technique, 0x squared. What about x? Plus 0x. After that, minus 16. Okay, good luck. Try it out. Alright, this is the solution for this example just now. And that's it for today. Alright, hopefully you managed to get there. Thank you.